Yeah.
No, we stopped at the bridge right there, right,
Yeah,
right kind
we
of there.
had
It was
lunch up
beautiful
there,
there.
the hill.
At the, you know, right where we pulled off.
Why you always gotta be
at the
awkward?
bridge. That water's cold.
Did y'all have fun? That was awkward. What was that?
I've got too much oxygen in me now.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. She got a can of oxygen.
You feel that boost though?
Yeah, I think so.
See?
Did y'all have fun though?
Yes, we did.
Okay, good.
We didn't make it up where you guys went, but we made it in,
To the hot springs and stuff too.
to the
Yeah.
lake and
To
had
the lake
lunch.
and to.
You went into the lake? Went to the lake, stuck our toe in the lake.
We are
It
at
was
the
cold.
Jade Garden restaurant.
The rapids.
So awkward, I swear.
Was it? I see what you did. You fed me up on the mountain, so you can come and have good food. Now that was a good sandwich.
See, once you put that this in it, the mustard isn't that bad.
Almond cranberry chicken on wheat, but it was prepackaged.
Made right sandwiches.
You know?
Oh, up top there.
Ready for the food, I'm hungry.
You're not hungry?
I said I'm ready for the food, I'm hungry.
Snickers. I had a Snickers. Kept me.
Why didn't you guys stay very long up there?
We're hungry.
It's not very big town.
Oh.
It's just, it's like the
You
size of this
sun-
area right
you
here.
buy these sunflower seeds for veggies.
It was also under-
the chipmunks. They eat right out of your hand.
You save the room for your meal.
Yes.
Yeah,
Ooh.
alright.
It's so good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You got the chicken.
Oh, the cheese one time.
I got the meat combination one.
Looks like a delicious bowl of lo mein. Or I guess it's not really a bowl. What can I Hey, Andre,
Plate.
you're the professional. What is it? It's a what?
Plate.
That's a plate. It's a square plate though.
It's a plate.
Here in America, we do round plates like this. I gotta make sure.
Oh my god, this road sucks.
What do you think of bringing a panda down here, Odd?
Oh, this is a pretty bumpy road.
That would be a no.
We all have our seatbelts off, ready to tuck and roll.
Not me, I'm going down the ship.
Where are they?
I'm gonna ride all the way to the bottom.
I'm just gonna cuddle with Luna and then she can take all the blunt force.
Use the babies as a shield.
Where are you?
Protect yourself.
I thought you were right behind us, I guess now.
That was the worst road ever. Here come Terry and Scott. So that's where we're camping, is across the river. This is on the other side of the river. Ugh. So we went to go see if there was another entrance other than that really steep climb, and there's not, so we're just gonna head back. Oh,
Left turn.
oh my
A left
god.
turn.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We're just gonna make a
Back
left
up
turn.
this stupid narrow road. I'm gonna need you to slow down, sir,
Are you
please.
gonna put some
Oh,
drive
good lord.
wheels on?
Here we go.
You putting it in what? Oh my god, that was the
drive through
bounciest thing
now.
ever.
Here we go.
I can climb that right there.
Yeah, don't slide down. Ugh. Oh my god. This road really is awful. Oh my god, look at that washout. Yeah, it's right on the edge. God, look at that.
We're gonna buy this.
Yeah, we don't want to go that way. Definitely not. That's a weird spot for a viewing machine. Not a very good view. That's a cool old vehicle. I love this vintage ride. That's neat. 27 Chevy.
He dip tastes like.
The cherry dip? Yeah, that sounds interesting.
I never had cherry or butterscotch dip.
No, I am not bringing Panda down that sharp, narrow road that has a cliff on one side.
Vanilla and chocolate.
Ooh,
ice cream
butterscotch
with
and
that on.
vanilla ice cream and a big banana boat. That's a
Yacht.
big-
Banana yacht.
Banana yacht.
Can I see your yacht, sir?
Is it good?
That looks good. This is so good.
Yeah.
This is like super good. Ready?
Yum.
It's our-
I'm getting out of the way.
Yeah, we better back up.
Did I even get that?
I thought you wanted to taste my banana yacht. You like bananas? Here, have a banana.
No, keep your cream to yourself.
You like
sir.
bananas?
Here, let me get the cream off you.
No. Thank you.
Oh, Lord.
You got some in your hair.
Oh my
This
god.
is not good.
They put money in it. There's nothing to look at but buildings. What are you looking at? Oh, hey. Hello. That's a weird place to have one of those. Look past the buildings to the mountain. Well, we made it back to base camp, and that is the third time that Mick has got me with a joke, so I'm gonna definitely have to get him back. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be something good, dang it. Well, I don't have anything else planned for today. I'm just probably gonna relax and not do any more filming because we do plan on going to Leadville tomorrow. It's only about, I'd say, 30 miles from here, not too far, but it is 10,000 feet elevation, so that should be interesting. But I'm excited because it's supposed to be a really cool old town to visit. Since this video is so short, I'm going to leave you with a flashback of a campfire song that I shot back in December, I believe, or November of last year. It was at the van build, so I hope you enjoy it. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah. I love y'all out there.
I don't care if it rains or freezes, long as I got my plastic Jesus sitting on the dashboard of my car. Comes in colors, pink and pleasant, glows in the dark, but take him with you when you travel far. Get yourself a sweet Madonna, dressed in my on a pedestal of Babylonian ship. You and I, it ain't scary, 'cause I got the Virgin Mary showing me that I won't go there. I don't care if it rains or freezes, as long as I got my